result. So let's go ahead and run it again, and we will go ahead and get ready to run and upload the first result. So let it sign in. I'm going to pause the video for just a moment so we get past this part. Okay, great. So we just clicked on upload file, and let's continue moving here. So it's going to wait for the page to load. Once that's done, it's going to hit select file. It's going to then select that file. So great. It went ahead, it has selected the first file, and here we can add some information. So we can go ahead and we can add a little title in here. So for example, I can do type text. Maybe I'll just type in the word, or how about I'll do something random. So I'm going to do insert a variable. First I'm going to create a variable, random number. It's going to create this variable here. Hit OK. I'm going to come here, type text, text to type, random number. Just once is fine. Hit OK. Hit OK. Great. It typed a random number out of 100 there. So this is purely just for example. You can go ahead and write whatever you want to type. If you want to make a resource that says YouTube titles, you can do that and have it type the YouTube title. You can have one that says description. So you know what? Let's go ahead and do that. Let's stop. Let's add some resources here. So you can add YouTube title, lines from a file. Next, read and delete. It's okay. Use each line one time. Next, finish, and let's do YouTube description. Okay. YouTube description, lines from a file, only read, use each line one time. Cool. So now we have that. Let's go ahead and make our files here. So YouTube title, title 1, title 2, title 3, title 4. Good enough. Let's make a text file for our descriptions. So you can say, check out our website 1. I'm not going to go here and type, but you can use, for example, you could put a whole line of ChatGPT description, whatever you like. I'm just going to do something simple. And everything should match, okay? There's better ways to do this. You can have it parsing an Excel file. Great. So we've written our descriptions. We've added our titles. So let's go back here. Let's go ahead and select those files. I think that one was YouTube title. YouTube titles, YouTube description. Great. So this is not only uploading, but now optimizing each video. It can get a little tricky sometimes if the bot fails, and sometimes the lines mismatch. So there are ways to do this a little bit better, and that would be using the CSV, parse CSV string into items, which is a different lesson altogether, and I can show you guys how to do that next time, so that all the lines are organized. It's parsing a line, parse URL, parse string. We'll go through it in the next, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's something like this here, where we'll parse each thing into different variables. But it's a totally different lesson. So right now we just have it very simple. We're using text files. I'm going to hit play. I'm just going to pause so that we can quickly get through the login part here, and we'll get back to upload. All right, here we go. Select file. It's going to select the first file. Going to upload it.